The first step to making an appointment is to go to the Brookdale website. Once you're on the Brookdale website, you want to find and click the red My Brookdale button at the top of the page. When you click it, you'll get this ribbon. On the far end is the green guy, TutorTrack. This is an online software that the Writing Center uses to schedule appointments. You'll be brought to the login page for TutorTrack. Once there, use your login that you use to get into Canvas, your email, and any other Brookdale application. Right now, I'm going to sign in as a fake student named Tucker to show you how to make an appointment. You'll be brought to the main menu. Here on the main menu, you can see if you have any upcoming appointments, which you don't right now. So let's make an appointment for Tucker. To do so, we go over to Search Availability. TutorTrack will ask you which center you want to go to. While there are normally many in-person writing centers available, right now the only choice is Writing Center Online. If you're in a public speaking class, you can also use the Online Speech Center, or if you're in a reading class, you can use the Online Reading Center. But for now, let's choose Writing Center. It will ask you what dates you want to search, automatically putting in the next 2 weeks in the to and from boxes. Most of the time that's good, so you can just hit Search. It will then show you all of the available times with all of the different tutors. As you can see, there's a lot of different times available with a lot of different tutors. You can scroll sideways and scroll down in order to see all of the availability at all the different times. Let's make an appointment. All we have to do is select one of these times and fill in some information. I'm going to make an appointment with Amanda on Friday the 22nd at 10 a.m. The first thing you have to do is select your subject. Normally, your classes will show up down here. For example, if you have an English class, you would select that. If you're working on a transfer essay, a scholarship essay, or a resume, you would select that. Right now, I'll select the catch-all category, Other. Then, you have to put in your phone number. It's important to put in your phone number in case we need to call you and cancel in unforeseen circumstances, such as a tutor getting sick. Once you've put in your subject and your phone number, hit Save. Now, let's check your appointment. Go over to the corner and click Main Menu. This will bring you back to the main menu. And here, under Upcoming Appointments, you can see the details for your upcoming appointment. It's the Writing Center Online on 5/22 at 10 a.m. with Amanda, and you can see next to her name that she's Zoom friendly, which means that if you'd like to use Zoom for your appointment, you can ask her at the start. That's how you make a Writing Center appointment. Next up, we'll learn about how to access an appointment.